Paano kayo nag-aaway? Talakan lang? Wala naman physical?
No. He was physically abusive to me. He was, OG. I have been quiet for 18 years, Dennis. You were physically abusive. He has a very bad temper. And I'm sure maraming makakaalam nito. Kung gaano siya nakakatawa sa mga tao, yun ang opposite niya, OG. Konting walang bagay na away, manununtok na yan, mananampal na yan. My kids saw that. And the biggest physical abuse that he did to me was when Julia was a few days old. Kakapanganak ko pa lang sa kanya. Galit siya sa akin. Parang I complained about something. Naglalakad akong, I don't know why I'm telling you this. I never spoke about this. Naglalakad ako papasok ng kwarto from the back. He hit me so hard. Laking tao ni Dennis, He hit me so hard in my ear. Lumipad talaga ako kasi hindi ka nakailag di ba? Na talaga nawala yung eardrum ko. Julia was days old, okay?